Do a bit of a bike tour before we get going. Alright, this is how the rig's currently looking. It's a Jam 2 6.9. I've changed the rear derailleur, I put axis on there, so wireless shifting. Changed the rear shock to a DHX2 with a coil. What else? Changed the bars and grips. And pedals, really. Came with the Fox factory front. Yeah, it's the bike. So it's feeling pretty good so far. It's my first ride on the shock, the coil. So yeah, I might head up this one here and just keep getting a bit of a feel for it. Pretty sure this is the right way. I'm not actually too sure though. Oh, I probably forgot to mention, actually I'm at Plenty Gorge, my local. About a 5 minutes ride for me to get here. Bit jank. What trail this is. Pretty janky and full of rocks though. Tight. Climbing here. Down here. More of its stuff. Fucking really nice day today though. Fire road. There's a trail. Play this one around. Probably can't hear me over the wind. That's alright. Very jank. Out somewhere. Bit of a fucking climb up. Cool trails though. Oh yeah? To be honest, rear shock feels pretty good. At the moment. Also trying a new mount, so I've got it on my visor. It's an open face, just a Pro frame, no, Speed frame, sorry, the Speed frame Pro. I've got it attached to the visor. I'm waiting on some windshields to come so that hopefully I can remove a lot of this wind noise. I'm not really sure what it sounds like at the moment, but I'm assuming it'll be pretty windy.